Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Luxmon TV. Happy New Year guys. You all are so welcome. Welcome to 2021 and also welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing after you have watched and you like the video. Okay, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe. This is a new year, okay? So join the Lux family, okay? Also share my videos with your friends. Hopefully we'll grow more this year 2021. Okay, so guys, last year I sent out on my community post that you all should ask me your questions, your assumptions. So I'll be here answering some of those questions. I think about 1 or 2 questions, wasn't that much, okay? And also I will be unboxing. I have a big box here, okay? So I will be unboxing. This is from Coach, okay? So I got a bunch of gift cards from Coach and I went to their retail website to pick 1 or 2 things, and I will be unboxing it here as well. Okay, so I'm just looking down into the phone now to see to pull up the questions. Okay, so yeah, thank you all who commented, who left your beautiful comment on that post. Okay, and the first comment is from DM Vlogs Live. Thank you, Sister Shola. I really do appreciate you. You said there is just something so beautiful about black and white pictures. Yeah, Sister Shola, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you commenting on that. The next one is TY Vlog. She said beautiful with 2 heart emojis. Thank you so much, TY Vlogs. The third one is Food Delight. Food Delight said cute. I'm sure she's talking about the pictures. Thank you, Sister Food Delight. God bless you. Happy New Year to you all. Glow Baby Vlog TV say beauty, so beautiful. Thank you. You are also beautiful, my sister. God bless you. XX Annie 3 loves YHUXX. She has been following me from the very beginning when I started YouTube. Thank you, my sister. God bless you. She said, I love your fashion, mom. I love your fashion, mom. Thank you, my sister. God. Then the next one is from Chinonso Ezeji. She says, where are you from and what is your profession? I'm a Nigerian. I'm from Delta State, Delta Igbo, okay? And my profession is audit. I do financial audit. And also I do income tax, okay? So income tax season is around the corner. So if you want Luxmon to help you look for your maximum refund, just hit me up on Instagram, DM me as well on Instagram about taxes, and I will let you know, okay? So with this pandemic, there's a whole lot of new stuff coming on the taxes, okay? So the next, which is gonna be the last one, is from Ogonwa D. She say fine girl. Fine girl. Yeah. Fine girl. Am I fine or what? All right, my dears, thank you so much for all of you who commented. God bless you all. Okay, so that is it for this section. Let me go now and open up what I got from Coach. So guys, let's start off with this big box. Okay, yeah, I've previously opened it just to get a sneak peek of what it looks like. Sometimes these items, they look so beautiful online, but when they come when they come home, they don't look that beautiful, right? That's my phone going off. So it opens up like this, has the Coach up there and the carriage, Coach New York on the box. Okay, like I said, I got it from Coach Retail, coach.com, okay? And this is what it looks inside, all wrapped up and carefully packed very well, okay? So this is the receipt, and you know there's a little card here that says thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known since 1941. Okay, so if you have any question, you have a number there to call. I think that is good. So this is the receipt. Has a return label should in case you need to return it back. Okay, so guys, I got a handbag from Coach. This handbag is called Lora. All right, it's called the Lora, and it's a color block. So let's open it up. I like this silk dust bag. See, has the Coach on it. Voila. So guys, this is what it looks like. I like that color block effect it has. Yeah, there's a little wrinkle here, but by the time I stuff it enough, it's gonna straighten out with the 4 feet at the bottom. So it has the turn lock here. I see there's a little tag, a Coach tag up here. Okay, so this is like a beige, a Bordeaux, ox blood, maroon, or whatever, however you call your dark red color. Okay, so this is it. I call it burgundy. Okay, and white. Okay, so these are all basic neutrals. So I got this one, adding to my Coach collection. Okay, so there's that middle zipper compartment here that you can open up. So let me just take out this all of the stuffings. This is the strap. It has a strap you can use to wear as crossbody. This is what the inside look like. Another additional pocket there. This is the care booklet. So another additional pocket here. So another pocket here. A ton of space in this Coach bag. Okay, so another pocket here in front with that turn lock key that Coach is known for. All right, so let me take it out. So when I got this, they were still having the 50% off on the retail Coach website. Had 50% off, and I got this through Rakuten, so I was able to save additional I think 10% shopping with Rakuten, or 6%. I think it was 6%. Okay, so I saved 50% on the Coach website and another cashback of 6% from Rakuten. Okay, so this is a pretty bag. I really love it. So I'm gonna do a review for it coming up soon, just to tell you guys about the wear and tear of it. It doesn't come with a tag. I didn't see the tag, so I would have told you the name, but I will put a picture up here for you, how much it originally cost and how much I got it for, and also save cash back with Rakuten. So this is what it looks like inside. Has that beautiful red lining. So let's go to the next one I have, guys. Okay, so I got a scarf. You all know by now I love scarves so much. I got a Coach scarf. Okay, these are simple ways to dress and look elegant, guys. You don't have to have a designer handbag or shoes. You can have accessories as well to dress up. Okay, so it came back with a return label should in case I don't like it and I want to return it. Okay, so This one I got for 75% off, okay? And I got this one from the Coach outlets online, okay? So that's what it looks like. And this is called, yes, this one came with a tag. This is called Bias Siege C wrap, okay? And in the color oatmeal, okay? So I just got a basic neutral. So this is how long, so long, okay? This one is, it's so long, guys. This will be like about maybe like a yard or a yard and a half. I don't have my tape measurement here. I would have, you know, I would have measured it. And it's so wide and so beautiful. So you know, so use this up to wrap up, you know, yourself, and you look cute and elegant when going out to your occasions. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing, guys. So I will see you all in my next video. This is the adjustable strap for the handbag as well. I didn't show you guys that. Okay, so thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscription button, turn on your bell notification, and also share my videos. Help to grow this channel. Okay, till I see you all next time. I love you all, guys. Happy New Year once again. Bye.